Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Alumni Management System. Alumni Management System is developed to manage alumni data of a college and provide easy access to the same by reducing manual work. It allows the old and new students of a university or college to communicate with each other. This allows students to know each other and their current activities. The system is online, so it can be accessed by alumni anywhere. In the About panel, the information about the college can be seen. In the Events panel contains all the latest events that is to be held in the college. In Gallery, we can view all the photos from the college. In Login panel, the alumni and the staff can log in by mentioning the username and password. The new alumni or the staffs can also register by clicking on the link New Alumni or New Staff. There is also a Forgot Password option. In New Alumni, alumni can register. In New Staff, the staffs can register. Contact panel contains the contact information of the college. In Admin Login panel, admin can log in by entering login ID and password. Under Contact panel, anyone can send feedback to the college by mentioning name, email, contact number, subject and the message. Now let us log in as admin under Admin Login panel. Under New User, admin can add new admins by mentioning their name, email ID, contact number, password and confirm password. In Manage Course panel, admin can add the various courses available in their college. That is by entering the course name. The added courses can be viewed here along with the action delete. In Events panel, admin can add the events by mentioning event title, location, event date, event time and description. All the added events can be viewed by the admin under View Update. It also has the action Edit and Delete. In Gallery panel, all the photos of various celebrations or meetings can be uploaded by the admin under Photo Gallery. That is by mentioning the event and then selecting the photo. All the photos can be viewed under View Gallery. In Fund panel, under View Collection, admin can view the funds donated by various alumni. In Update Investment, admin can mention the details of the investments done by utilizing the alumni fund. That is by entering the utilized amount, utilized for, note and the date of investment. In View Investment, admin can view the various investment details made by the college by using the alumni fund. Under Job Postings, admin can view the various job vacancies posted by the alumni. In Feedback panel, admin can view the feedback sent by the people. Admin also has the action Delete. In Training panel, admin can add the training session details by mentioning the topic, description, course of the training topic, training date, duration, venue, last date for participation and the reference contact name and number. In View or Update, Admin can view the various training records. It also has the action edit and delete. Admin can also view the participants selected for the training session. In Office Bearers, admin can add various alumni regions. Admin can also view the added regions along with the action delete. Now let us register a new alumni. New alumni must register by mentioning name, profile photo, gender, date of birth, email ID, contact number, pass out year, select course, occupation, address, region, and membership type. On selecting the membership type, alumni membership fees can be viewed. That is, for standard membership type, ₹1,000 membership fees must be paid, and for premium membership type, ₹10,000 membership fee must be paid. Alumni must select the payment type, then mention the bank name, card number, CVV number, card expiry month and year. Then message, password and confirm password must be entered. Once the alumni registers successfully, admin must verify the alumni. Now let us log in as admin to verify the alumni account. In Verify, under Alumni, admin can view all the registered alumni records. Admin also has the action Verify to approve or deny the alumni. In Office Bearers, Admin can add the office bearers by selecting the region, alumni name and the post. Admin can also view all the office bearers under View Update. Admin also has the action Delete. Once the admin logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let us log in as alumni by mentioning username and password. In Events panel, alumni can view the events. By clicking on Read More, event information can be viewed. In Jobs panel, alumni can view the jobs posted by various other members. Alumni can add the job by clicking on Post Job. Here the alumni must mention the company name, job location, job title, qualification, description, key skills, package, experience required, number of vacancy, reference, email and last date of apply. Alumni can also apply for the jobs by clicking on Apply. On clicking on Apply, alumni must enter the candidate name, contact number, email, cover letter and resume must be uploaded. In Friends panel, alumni can view all the other alumni members registered in the portal. Alumni can also search their friends either by selecting occupation or by region or by batch. In Office Bearers, alumni can view the post of various office bearers in various regions. Alumni can view all the information about these office bearers. In Training panel, alumni can view the various training session details. Alumni can also participate in the training session by clicking on Action Participate. In Fund panel, alumni can donate for their college by mentioning amount, remarks, pay type, bank name, card number, CVV, card expire month and year. In View Donations, alumni can view the donations made by other alumni members. In View Utilized Fund, alumni can view the investments made by the college using fund amount from the alumni. In Gallery, alumni can post the photos of various events under Update Gallery by selecting the event name and the image. All the photos can be viewed under View Gallery. In My Account, alumni can update their profile. Alumni can also change their password under Change Password. Once the alumni logs out of the account, the control is redirected to the home page. Now let's add the new staff. Staff can register by mentioning name, qualification, date of birth, designation, date of join, address, contact number, photo, email ID, password and confirm password. Let's log in as admin to verify the staff account. In Verify, under Staff, admin can view all the registered staff records. Admin must approve or deny the staff records under the action Verify. Now let's log in as staff. Staff can log in by entering username and password. In Jobs, staff can view the job openings and can also apply for the job. That is by mentioning candidate name, contact number, email, cover letter and uploading the resume. In View Events, staff can view the various events by clicking on Read More. Staff can view the event information. In Office Barriers, staff can view all the alumni office barriers of various regions. In Gallery, staff can also upload the photos by selecting the event and the photo. All the photos can be viewed under View Gallery. In My Account, staff can update their profile. Staff can also change their password under Change Password. Once the staff logs out, the control is redirected to the home page. This is all about the project Alumni Management System. Thanks for watching this video. For further information, kindly visit our website.